Hello, my name is Brian King. I'm the Sheriff of Clallam County and I oversee the Clallam County Corrections Facility. If you're watching this video today, you've been arrested by law enforcement or about to be processed into the Clallam County Corrections Facility.
Hi, I'm Don Wenzel, Chief Corrections Deputy of the Clallam County Jail. Our highest regard is for your safety and the orderly operations of the facility. For those reasons, this video was developed by corrections staff to keep you informed on what to expect during the booking process, how to safely conduct yourself during confinement, and what to expect during release.
When you arrive at Clallam County Jail, you will be pat-searched, and a body scanner will be used to detect contraband. You'll be interviewed by a corrections deputy who will gather your personal information and enter your charges into the jail's computer system. During the booking process, please share any concerns or conflicts you may have with others during this discussion. You will have the opportunity to use the phone once your booking is complete. If you have an ADA disability or require accommodations, please discuss your needs with any of the corrections staff or medical personnel. The Clallam County Correction Facility has one effective communication coordinator, or ECC, and one backup ECC. It is the ECC's responsibility to be fully knowledgeable about the legal rights of inmates with communication disabilities. In addition, they make sure to comply with and carry out the effective communications responsibility under the ADA for the jail. If you have a communication disability, please inform the jail staff. A needs assessment will be completed during the jail's intake and booking process, or within 24 hours after the discovery or claim of a communication disability, to develop a plan for what auxiliary aids or services will be needed for effective communication throughout the inmate's detention, and/or what reasonable modification to policies or procedures will be needed. The ECC will conduct weekly meetings with an inmate with a communication disability throughout the entirety of the inmate's period of incarceration. The ECC or backup ECC will be available in person to respond to inmates' needs or complaints during normal business hours. They will also be available for consultation remotely during all other hours of operation. We have several hearing services available to you while you are here. These services include a certified ASL interpreter, VRI, VRS on a tablet, and assistive hearing devices which are available for hard-of-hearing individuals. The Prison Rape Elimination Act of 2003, PREA, established a zero-tolerance policy for prison rape and sexual misconduct in U.S. jails and prisons. If you or someone you know has been or is in danger of becoming the victim of in-custody rape, sexual misconduct, or sexual harassment, you must notify a staff member. We will take immediate and decisive action to protect the victim. Anyone, inmate or otherwise, who commits a sexually motivated crime in the Clallam County Jail will be prosecuted to the fullest extent of the law. You can report the PREA incident to a staff member, the PREA hotline on a jail phone, or report a PREA incident on a tablet or kiosk. Your belongings will be stored while you are in custody. You will be issued jail clothing that will be washed every other day. You have the option to purchase a hygiene kit. You may request a hygiene kit, even if you are unable to pay for it. Next, you will be fingerprinted and photographed. You will be issued an identification wristband with your name and photo. You are required to wear and show it. If you remove or destroy the wristband, you will delay medical services, medications, meals, commissary, and release, and be subject to discipline. A certified medical professional will discuss your medical and mental health needs with you. Please answer all your questions so you can be fully cared for in the facility. Also, please let them know about any medications, detox, ADA, or mental health concerns. If you are depressed, feeling out of control, or needing immediate assistance, please tell any staff member. Once you receive a housing assignment, you will receive your bedding, rule book, and hygiene kit. At your first court appearance, you will be informed of all the charges against you. If you cannot afford an attorney, information about one will be provided to you. While incarcerated, you will be given a PIN number of the jail's telephone system. Remember this one important thing: do not share your PIN number with anyone. If there is bail assigned to your charges, you may use the phone system to arrange bail through friends, family, or a bail agent. Housing. You will receive 3 nutritionally balanced meals a day. Our menu is reviewed by a registered dietitian. Commissary items for your personal use can be ordered once a week. Friends and family members can deposit money into your commissary account at any time. Inmates can file requests and grievances either electronically or in paper format. In an emergency, notify a staff member or push the emergency call button in your cell. Reentry. The jail's mental health case manager connects eligible people with connections to resources while they are still in jail for a successful transition back to the community. Examples include referrals to substance use disorder treatments, mental health services, homelessness services, employment information, and much more. Participating in reentry is voluntary. It does not change, impact, or influence sentencing or good time. It cannot be ordered by the court. To find out more about reentry and other assistance available, please submit a request on the kiosk or send an inmate request form. Release. When a judge orders your release, be mindful that it does not happen immediately. It may take several hours to complete this process. When you are called to be released, make sure to have all your issued items with you. What you can expect when serving time in the Clallam County Jail. You can expect firm, fair, and consistent treatment from corrections deputies in the Clallam County Jail. We will show respect to everyone we encounter. We will enforce the rules of the jail in order to keep everyone safe. We will take the necessary actions when we become aware of an unsafe condition. We will make every effort to connect people in crisis with medical and mental health services and take decisive action to keep them safe if those services are not immediately available. And finally, we will provide resources and information to assist in the transition back to the community for those who need it.
Thank you for your attention in this matter, and if you have any questions, please contact corrections staff.